She walked out of that small mud house carrying nothing, no bag, no words, just a heart so broken it had forgotten how to beat. The whole village watched from their doorways. Some whispered, some smiled, but not one of them knew what that silent farmer did after she disappeared into the dusty road. What he did next, without shouting, without fighting, without even a single tear, will shake something deep inside you. Promise me you will listen until the end. If you want more motivational stories like this, subscribe to our channel now. Arjun was a poor farmer in a small village where the fields were dry and the walls had ears. His wife, Meena, was everything a woman could be, gentle, patient, and full of quiet dignity. She woke before dawn, cooked, cleaned, worked in the fields, and still smiled through her exhaustion. But his mother's tongue was sharp as a sickle. Every morning brought new humiliation, cruel words over breakfast, insults dressed as advice. Meena endured silently, praying Arjun would speak. But Arjun stayed quiet, and his silence felt like betrayal. One evening, his mother called Meena worthless in front of the neighbors. Something inside Meena finally broke, not with anger, but with surrender. She folded her dupatta slowly, looked at Arjun one last time, and walked out. No drama, no tears, just a woman who had run out of hope. Arjun watched her go. His eyes were wet. His feet did not move. That night, the house felt like a grave. The next morning, Arjun went to visit Amma Boli, the oldest woman in the village. Everyone respected her, even his mother. He sat beside her and said nothing for a long time. Then Amma Boli spoke first. "Where is your Meena? I do not see her anymore." Arjun lowered his head. The old woman sighed deeply and said words that cut through everything. "Son, a daughter-in-law who serves without complaining is rarer than rain in drought. When she leaves, she takes blessings with her. I have lived 70 years. I have seen many homes fall, not because of poverty, not because of illness, but because one woman could not see the worth of another." Arjun quietly asked her to come home with him. That evening, Amma Boli sat with his mother. No lecture, no argument, just stories of homes she had watched collapse, of mothers who died regretting, of sons broken between two loves. His mother listened. Her hands trembled. Her eyes filled slowly. By midnight, she was weeping. 3 days later, she walked alone to Meena's parents' house. She stood at the door, no pride, no sharpness, just an old woman carrying the heaviest thing a person can carry: regret. She held Meena's hands and whispered, "Beta, your husband never said one bad word about me. He only found an old woman to show me my own reflection. Come home. Come back to a man who fought for you without ever raising his voice." Meena wept, because the man she thought had abandoned her in silence had been protecting her all along, with wisdom, not anger, with love, not war. Listen carefully. The world will tell you to fight back, to scream, to prove yourself. But the most powerful person in any storm is the one who stays calm and finds a way to change hearts, not break them. Arjun never chose between his mother and his wife. He chose love for both. And that love fixed everything anger never could. Remember this. A home is never saved by the loudest voice. It is saved by the wisest heart. Be that heart. In your family, in your relationships, in your life. Choose patience. Choose wisdom. Because love that is silent but strong will always outlast noise that is loud but empty. If this story touched your heart, if somewhere inside you felt this is not just a story but the mirror of your own life, subscribe right now. I come back with stories that will make you cry, make you think, and make you rise. Stories that remind you you are not alone, you are not forgotten, and your struggle has meaning. Because you deserve to be awakened.